npm. I guess I can do like a nix shell, nix packages. I don't know what my symbol is for. Nope. Node. Yeah, that looks right. All right, let's try this now. npm run build. Anyone have any idea what's going on here? Because I literally have no idea. We have a dist. Thank you, Roasted. Super appreciate you. Did like I get a version upgrade on Bun or something? Because I literally can't build this now. But we copied the dist over, so it should be fine. Like if we look in here, in vendor, and then there, we have dist built. Like it's built. Why is this so upset? Yeah, I've heard this song before. Okay, now it's good. That's really bizarre. That was just a TypeScript server problem. That's so stupid. Thank you, TypeScript. So now in here, we can probably go to like, let's go get our script from our other package. Oh my God, I'm so bad at this keyboard. In this package JSON, there should be this script right there. And let's take that and put that in beat bridges. All right, let's see if this works. Where are we though? Yeah, we want to go to beat. And here we want to run bun run get. Yeah, that's what we want. All right, sweet. We got a fresh token, so that works. Great. All right, we're in a place where we can start coding now. So let's go to in here. Let's go to main, and we'll do const program equals effect dot gen, and this will get a function, and I'll get a star that whoops, insert that go into there, and we need to go back to that, import that. Good. And here we can say const Spotify equals yield star Spotify config. No, these don't feel like any of it. Would we export this as Spotify API client? Okay. So that should be Spotify API client. There it is. And then we can do const playlist equals yield star Spotify dot use API get playlist. And what does this have in it? It gets a playlist ID. So let's go find a playlist ID. And we'll say, what's a small playlist? Do late night listens. All right, so there's that. Right, whoops. That becomes the playlist ID. So let's paste that in and okay, so that should just work. Playlist track. And then let's just do like a console dot, oh, we need to do yield. This gets a space. There, we'll keep our keyboard up still. Let me make this a little bit smaller and just give myself some room like that to there. Great. Like we can just use effect for that. Effect.log info, and then we can put that in there, and we'll just do a JSON dot stringify, and we'll do playlist null 2. And then we need to do what up, Shrey? What am I looking for right now? I'm looking for that's what I was looking for. All right, so maybe we have a working program. Almost. I need to really like start using that to go up. Okay, so we got our playlist. Boom. What up, Nudes? We're implementing BeatBridge in TypeScript. We were gonna do it in a camel, but then I got caught up in dependency management hell and I didn't feel like doing that on stream. So this is what we're doing instead. All right, so we can get that. So now we have to do the really annoying part of getting like Apple Music stuff. Which, let me see if I have I don't think I have a private key anywhere still. So we're gonna have to do that, which is so annoying. Maybe we even deploy an app to do that. Because we need to... Hmm. Yeah, I just switched to using my Moonlander this morning. Um... Oh my god, I'm so bad at this keyboard. There we go. We need... I think we had this before. At some point we had a bunch of Apple stuff in this because I was originally going to do Apple, but then it was a pain in the ass. That's what we need right here. All right, we're gonna deploy this app because it's gonna be useful anyways. So let's take that, move that over there, and let's come into here and I don't even know what to call this. Let's make a new project called music kit token getter. I don't know. Token helper. Let's go into there. Actually, let's quit out of this. And we're going to go up a directory into that. Yeah. Into there. And let's do a get init. And let's say, let's just touch dot index.html. And let's go into Vim. Go into there. And we're going to copy this. Copy that. Paste that in. All right, how does this work right now? Apple what is this? Music kit token helper enter your developer token. How do I get a developer token? So I guess this should actually be called Apple Music Token Helper. Thank you for the follow. All right, and then let's go look at the Apple Music API docs. Generating developer tokens, that's what we need. All right, I'm next in the song. This ain't the vibes right now. Oh, I better better not type in my password with that showing, huh? Okay, yeah, you can still see that. Oh my God, I'm so bad at doing this. Okay. Okay. That looks good. Now, what do we have to do? Okay, so we're gonna need to go grab, let's move this back over and get open the key maps. We need to go to unpackage, right? And then what is like the de facto standard? Like, let me go look at my, can I look at the project at this point in time? Source, JWT, we use JSON Web Token. Okay, so we want to grab that from JSON Web Token. Can I search unpackage? Okay, so in here, we should be able to do something similar and come in here and change. This should be unpackage.com. If I could get the .com/JSON web token. Is that right? Yeah, that looks right. Well, we can check, right? We can do unpackage, not unpackage, JSON web token. Yeah, nice. Okay. That'll give us what we need there. Okay. So then let's add a new box in here. Enter your private key. This is not sent. This is only sent to Apple. This will be an input ID equals private key type text So once we get that, what do we do? We need a team ID. So let's grab another field. You do that. Okay, so that didn't work. We need to get Thank you for the follow, Skeg. So that needs some input. How are we using this? Where did we even use this? Okay, so we must need one for our key ID. Do that. Damn, that was hella close. That might be the closest anyone's ever gotten. So we need to go grab that, and we need like all of these. So this will be pem or tid. Then down here, we'll change this to pem. Okay. So here we then passed it issuer became tid. So let's do this. Pem kid. Let's grab these because we're going to need those. And we'll paste those up here. And then down here we want, let's see. Yeah, comma, next line, it'll be IAT is now. And then ISS is the tid. And this will be exp is 6 months from now. How do you input sensitive HTML? I don't know how to do this. Input type password? Okay. So let's change all of these sensitive ones to password. Do that. Okay, that seems reasonable. Now, how do we actually sign it? We have a payload. Where do we sign? So this just gets exp, IAT, and ISS. So exp, yep, input, then it gets the pem. So this will be pem. And then options will be this, where algorithm is ES256. and key ID is kid. That's really weird formatting, but it seems like this should work. Are we missing anything? And then we'll log. Is that asynchronous, I wonder? No, it's synchronous. Is this shift? Music, user, token. All right, do we feel good about that? Pointer. Yeah, I'm on a Mac. Let's do bunx. All right, so that should be there. Let's go see if that actually worked. Okay. All right, that looks good. Let's just add breaks. None of this information is stored or sent anywhere except for. This doesn't have to be pretty. And this should be really okay. Let's see how that works. Cannot use import statement out of a module. Oh, right. We need to make that script. Does this just have to become type module on here? I think that's all that has to happen. Failed to resolve module specifier JSON web token. Can I do a dynamic import? Seems like I should be able to do something like, what the hell was that? Const, can we do that? Is that valid? Says we have it. Like if I go on my web browser, this takes so much concentration, chat. Sorry, I'm not talking as much today. This is really hard to type. How do I get that? I don't understand how I get... If I import... All right, ChatGPT is going to help us out here. If I import a module like this... Wow, fucked that up already. If I import a module from unpackage like this in my header, how can I then import it in a script tag to use? I was gonna try to do OCaml earlier, but then I got stuck in Nix and dependency hell, and I was like, okay, I don't feel like doing this at all. What is system.js? Oh, I can just import straight from a URL? That's kind of sick. I didn't know I could do that. So then we don't need that. And this can be this can be changing word. We can pull in sign, and let's see if that works. Module is not defined. It literally does. It's right there.
Hey. I'm gonna go back to bed.
Okay.
I don't feel great.
Okay.
Medicine's really messing with my stomach. My
Okay.
groceries are gonna be delivered within the next hour.
Okay. I'll bring them in.
Thank you, love you.
How to use import in I don't even know. Script module tag. Isn't this like the kick that like DHH is on? Like this seems like it should work. The requested module does not provide an export. Oh, am I importing a CJS module? I think I am. This is CJS. Right. Can I go look at... I want to look at the file directory for this. Does this have an MJS? No. How do I search unpackage? I was just looking at these docs earlier. Unpackage. So we should be able to do unpackage / JSON web token and then /. There we go. So this is just not a ECMAScript module. I wonder if that new one does. What is that new package manager thing? JSR or something? .io? Yeah. Search for package, JSON web token. I cannot type B. Oh my god, it's just not on there. Can we do this? Is this fine? requires not defined. All right, maybe we just get rid of the type module. Requires still not defined. I guess that makes sense. Does this put it on the window as like JSON web token? How do I reference and unpackage dependency in a script tag? Is that on unpackage? Or maybe I can go to here. Where was this is stupid. That key didn't feel like it was working very well. Yeah, okay. So Jose, let's look at Jose. Okay, this looks better. All right, let's pull up the docs for this because this is probably what we actually want. What happens if I do that? Do I need to do that? We need the Jose docs, Jose npm. Star, I just need to sign. Where's the API? Signing, compact, general JSON. Add signature, add protected header. I don't need to. So we probably just want this one right here. So let's see if we can even, let's see if we can just import Jose. Unpackage, right? You think that works? I have no idea. I've never used any of this stuff. I don't know. Does not provide an export default. Oh, okay. So we're getting somewhere. We're getting closer. So let's delete that and then throw in a slash, and that should let us dist browser index. Yeah, okay. So this should be slash browser. And then in here, we want something like not that, we want that, yep. We want general sign. General. All right, let's see if that works. I don't know. That should have logged, right? Browser. Oh, we gotta go to dist. Hey, there it is. Okay, that worked. Nice. Who needs React? And then we have the docs for that right here. Add signature, add header. I'm using Mona Lisa. I'm not sure I understand the flow here. That's what we want. So that's the payload. Okay. So we want so we should be able to do that. And then down here we can get rid of this. Let's just comment this out for now. And we'll say const music token equals, oh, this needs to be async. Async. And we can await that. Jose dot sign the payload our payload is what again? And thank you for the follow there. Appreciate y'all. That would be the TID. Okay. So then when we call sign, we do that. And then we say dot set protected header. And we do ES256. Okay. Shift F that, bump that down a line. And then we go dot. Oh, we can do set issue that. Nice. We don't need that. That's a nice API. dot set issuer dot set expiration time. All right, we're just gonna pass in 6 months from now. And then we don't need okay, that looks good. Didn't we take care of this already up here? Pem secret. Yeah. This should just be secret then. All right. Didn't we fix that? Okay. All right, let's see if we can go figure out my Apple stuff now. I might have to blur my screen for a second, but that'll be all right. Gonna go ahead and blur that. Mm-hmm. Good morning. All right, so we need to make a new identifier. We need to make a media ID. So let's do that. Media ID. Continue, and we'll call this just BeatBridge. Sorry, I have to keep this. I have to keep this blurred, y'all. Okay. Then I need a new key. So let me make a key, and this will be BeatBridge. And that needs media services. Configure, BeatBridge, save, continue, register. All right, I got my private key. So let me add my private key, or let me update some environment variables here real quick. export Apple Pem. Pem equals, let me go grab that. 1 second, chat. We are almost there. And then we need our key ID. Export Apple key ID. And that's going to be equals that guy. Yeah, Noons, what's up? The playlist is potentially just queued from a bunch of people. Otherwise, it's from a playlist called Late Night Listens, I think. Binary tree, insert 1, add a node at the end of the tree. 2, position the node correctly using the swim method. I don't know what the swim method is. When the child node is greater than the parent node, we need to swap the elements to ensure the tree is ordered correctly. Given this 2 rules, how would you insert and create the following binary tree? Oh God, Noons. Chat, you're on duty for that. Yeah, I know, Yoggin. I have one more ID to paste in to my file. I've got sensitive stuff on screen. All right, that should be okay. Okay. Where do I get a developer token? Oh boy. I've just confused myself all over again. Let's see here. Oh, the developer token. We don't need the developer token. Right. So if we come in here and we go here, we don't need this anymore, I don't think. Sorry for the dogs, y'all. Okay, here we go. What do we do here? We broke some stuff. Yeah, we just don't need the developer token. So let's comment that out too. Refresh here. Okay. All right, let me make sure these are blurred. Why can't I? That doesn't seem right. Why is this never occurring? This button should... That button should be not disabled. It feels like this is never firing. So that import prevents that here from logging. And I don't think I can put that in here. Right? That's like not a valid thing. Yeah, we would have to do... Okay, that actually worked. I did not expect that to work first try there, but we'll take it. Okay, so we get that. And if I do developer token is not defined. This is like actually a pain in the ass. Apple. I'm so confused right now at how this works. Oh. Oh, rip Kyle, that sucks. Okay, so the developer token is this part right here. Yoink that. We'll come up here, and this will actually be, we'll paste that in, format that. This is actually developer token. Make this async. Okay, so there's our developer token. That makes more sense. Then this is not our, yeah, this totally makes sense. There we go. That makes way more sense. All right, let's clean up some of these. All right, so we have to go figure out how to make a crypto key. I'm not using React at all. This is just plain JavaScript. So the error I'm getting, key for ES256. Ah, okay. So I should, hold on, chat. If I do a new window and I go and grab my values that, let's go to beat, yes. Paste that in. That should be okay. Check key type. We're gonna have to go check that code in a second. Winnie. Hey, no barks. Thank you for the follows. All right, we're just gonna try putting all this in. Key ID. Paste. And then team ID. Must be of type crypto key. Is key like? Where does it come? It comes from crypto runtime. Dot is key like. Is crypto key from /web crypto. Instance of crypto key. That must be like a web standard, I bet. Yep. Here we go. So we gotta parse. How do we even use this? Can I just like, I just want to like make one of these. Okay, so theoretically, we should be able to come in here. Should be able to do something like and we're going to do, this will be raw, this will be pem. I have no idea what this next one is. an object defining the type of key to import. I have no idea what algorithm this thing used to make your I'm looking to build a platform to create and share playlists containing tracks from Spotify, Apple Music, SoundCloud. Not able to figure out on scraping stuff. You're going to want to just use the APIs for sure. All right, so that looks like what we want. Let's try that. So we'll come in here and we'll do name is going to be AES dash why can't I dash? There we go. AES GCM. And what is the next argument? True extractable. We'll say false. And then a array that says sign. That seems like what we want. All right, let's see if we got that. Yank that, and then I paste that in there, and then I need my key ID, And that goes in there. And now we need our Apple team ID. And that goes in there. Crypto.import key is not a function. Oh, I guess it's not. How do I get to import key? Oh, it's on subtle crypto? Is that right? Command Shift I, Command. Oh God. Command Shift I. That's not the right command. What's the command to open the console? I am really struggling. There we go. Command Option. So now subtle crypto. Dot. Oh, I have to make a new instance of it. How do I construct one of these? Does anyone know how to use the crypto API? Because I've never done this. What tool did you use to drag the window to the other side? I used rectangle. Is that true? Is it just there? I guess it is. Okay, so it'll be crypto. Damn it, I have to go do this all again. Oh, this must be a promise. Damn it. Oh, that didn't work. Okay, so that looks better. DOM exception cannot create a key using the specified key usages. I wonder if that is... Maybe that's all we need. Maybe we could use Jose the entire time and I'm just an idiot and didn't read the docs. See if that works. I need to like disable Bitwarden on this page. Ooh, that got closer. That actually did something. That opened up Apple's thing. That's getting closer. I bet the algorithm for the import is wrong. That got much closer. All right, so where's Jose? What other import functions do we have? Key import. Maybe it's X509. No, I think it's PKCS8. I just don't know what algorithm this thing used. And Apple doesn't tell me. Okay, that doesn't tell me anything. Oh, we forgot to put the key ID in. Right, we have to add the key ID. So I think we do this. That might be all we were missing, potentially. So let's try one more time here. Who am I joking? We're gonna keep going until we get this. That's key ID. And finally, team ID. This copying pasting is the most annoying part of this. Hey, that worked. But that's sensitive, and I just leaked that. So we're just gonna go ahead and invalidate that by generating another one. We did a chat, and we're gonna deploy this to Vercel because it'll be useful. All right, let me go dump that in here. Export. Let's see here. Apple music token equals. Yoink that. House. Nice, nice. Okay, we'll close this so we don't leak anything anymore. Great. Let me save this so I don't leak anything there. And we can reopen everything. Boom. Let's go to Vercel. I need to make a new repository. Okay, we should have that now. Hell yeah. That looks good. Now we should be able to deploy this to Vercel. What do we want to call this? Apple Music Token Fetcher. This is just straight up HTML, my guy. Boom. Easy peasy, chat. Now anyone can use this. All right. I think I'm going to call it there, chat. I'm kind of tired. I need to go eat something. I will be back tomorrow morning, and we will probably keep working on this. Yeah, let's find someone to raid. We'll raid Tej, because we haven't raided Tej in a long time. Oh, wait, Trash is streaming. We're raiding Trash. JK.